Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. One of the things I try to present on this channel is ways to earn an income, but also providing you great information on products and services. So this one is called United Wealth Education. This is in the uh, credit repair, credit restoration niche. One of the things that I'm excited about being a part of this business is I have the opportunity to help a lot of people to um, repair their credit and also restore their credit. But also, there's some other things that applies to what I do in my career. I'm a licensed real estate broker, a realtor here in San Diego, California. I was able to assist one of my clients who wanted to put their property in a living trust. And one of the opportunities that United Wealth Education is, we have a part of our business will allow our clients to um, do power of attorneys, whether that be financial power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, living trust, last will and testament, all those great things that we are able to offer our clients or my clients that I'm currently serving. But sometimes I have a situation where there's clients who they have the income, but they don't have the credit score. So one of the things that I'm able to do is assist them with getting them up to that credit score that needed that is needed, so they can move forward and buying a home. Like I said, I am a realtor, and one of those things that it's attached to what I do is help repair credit. Now I must say that in the credit repair business, um, some people don't know what to do. And with uh, United Wealth Education, which is an acronym UWE, they provide training. So I'm a part of a dynamic team of some successful credit repair agents within United Wealth Education. We have a Facebook group that I'm a part of. People are sharing their information and how they're succeeding in the business, but also giving you tips and the know-how to run your business. Now, remember, I said this is a credit repair business. This is a franchise. Now, with that being said, you have to invest in yourself to be a part of the business. Okay, so I'm going to give you this presentation. Some of the information I prefer you go to the description link in the um, or the link in the description box to get some more information. This is, of course, is for educational purposes only. I almost must put a disclaimer out there: is you are as good as the business, right? The business is a great business, but if you don't move, business will not move. So if you follow the plan that's in place, but also attend some of the training that we have provided, we have live training. You can get some information about the live training as well. So what I'm doing is expanding my team, right? So you, I'm going to go through this presentation. I'll give you some information in regards to the presentation as it progresses. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a question or comment, and I will definitely reply back to you. But also, I can be reached on my um, so my contact information will also be on the link in the description box. So if you're interested in getting in touch with me, my personal number is on there, but also my email address will be provided as well. Okay, I want to be transparent. Make sure you understand that I'm in business for myself, but not by myself. Okay, so United Wealth. So it's good. It's good to have money and the things that money will buy, but it's good to check up on once in a while and make sure you haven't lost the things that money won't buy. Building relationships. UWE provides its agents the ability to build a business by marketing innovative financial literacy tools, products, and services. Remember, it takes hard work to make substantial income in this business, and some distributors make no money at all. Success success in this business requires leadership, hard work, and dedication, just like anything you do in life. See the full UWE compensation plan for details on all more potential earning opportunities. Corporate America meets entrepreneurship. UWE was founded in 2004, headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Consistently strong annual sales growth, debt-free, same key executives since the inception of the company. 16.5 million Americans are making additional income with the gig economy. UWE, United Wealth Education. Why it will work for you: be your own boss, make your own hours, build your own team, work from anywhere, be a part of a supportive and productive community, work full or part-time, help people reach their personal and financial goals, easy to use online tools and training, excellent agent support. Linear income, trade time in for money, you're working by yourself, versus residual income, leverage a network. Traditional marketing has changed. 84, 84% of people trust word of mouth recommendations over any other form of advertising. Make it UWE your side hustle and be rewarded for referring clients to our protection plan products. I'll put a link in the description box below to give you information on the protection plan. It's United Credit Education Services, Credit My Rent, My Care Plan. So under My Care Plan, that's where you're going to find your ability to do will and trust, power of attorney, but also you can build your credit by getting a secure card and other resources that we have as well for your business. Okay. What better way to make a living than making a difference, helping people improve their financial well-being? So how does it work? So you can earn commission on personal sales. So that's the information about some commissions. I'll put a description in the, I'll put a link in the description box. It's going to have a video presentation on that as well. Get some customer acquisition bonuses, so you are rewarded when you are building your business, getting customers. Okay, a quick glimpse of what you can earn, but also this is when you start, you become an agent, and then you climb up the business ladder, and as you climb up the business ladder, compensation grows. Okay? And then there are some monthly Affinity bonuses. Now, as you grow your business, there are some bonuses that are rewarded to those who are growing their business, actively growing their business. Okay, and there are some additional rewards. UWE Medallion Club, the road to the R&R Club. So you have some categories. You have what's called bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. All these means is you're growing your business, you're being successful, you're following the plan, and you're being rewarded. And this is building your wealth, and you're also putting you in a position for retirement as well. Okay? So it's rest, relaxation, and retirement. Building toward rest, relaxation, and retirement. Over 3.4 million annually. And then they have some levels 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So these are some perks once you reach certain levels. Okay, these are some bonuses that it's going to be rewarded to you as you grow your business. Rest and relaxation. Once you get level 5, you get a bonus of $50,000 cash bonus with automobile upgrades. Excuse me. Options. And level 6, 5K monthly house payments. So these are bonuses and perks as you grow your business and being more successful in the business. rest, relaxation, and retirement, building towards rest, relaxation, and retirement over 3.5 million annually. So on the level 7 to 10, monthly retirement bonus up to $25,000. Monthly bonuses from 100,000 to 250,000. These are monthly bonuses. Okay. Then also you're going to be provided with training, tools, and support. So remember, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. The complete turnkey business. Okay. So you're going to receive a personalized agent website. You have an online back office to see you progressing as far as business goes and customer acquisitions. And if you're building a team, it's going to show you your team as well. Live agent customer support. You have a live agent and customer support service that we also have. We get paid weekly. So weekly pay is for qualified agents, okay? So when you have business, you're getting paid weekly. And those weekly payments are by direct deposit. There's no paper checks being given. So it's by direct deposit. Also, if you're a qualified agent, you have an opportunity to take advantage of some life insurance, which is a great thing. You know, if something shall happen to you, your beneficiary is able to assist in that process, but also you're able to leave something if in case of something happens as far as death. You can also professional marketing materials. You can get all the tools of trade, professional marketing tools that you're gonna have. So we also went over the commissions, rewards, and bonuses. And then also there's regional and national training events. You have some tax advantages being a business owner, and then you have the opportunity to help others. And so one of the things I mentioned before is that this is a business, right? This is a franchise business. And when I say you're going to invest in yourself, are you looking to uh, work for someone and build their dream, or are you looking to work for yourself and building a legacy? Now, it's a difference. So when you're working for someone else, you're building their dreams and their family dreams. When you're building your business, you're creating a legacy. That's something that you can provide to your family, but also put in a position you work when you want, how you want, and where you want. You're not restricted to um, being in one place that, clocking in at 9 o'clock, getting off at 5. That 9 to 5 routine could be different hours, but understand that you're working for yourself. So now remember, this is a business, and this is the price of getting started. Now, remember, people are like, well, I want something for free. Yeah, we all want something for free. But look at that price point, $299 one-time setup fee. And then your first month included. So there's a monthly subscription that you're going to be just to run your business. Like I said, you got that website. That's all those things are included. But once you sign up with the business, you will see that exactly the benefit of being in business for yourself but not by yourself. So anyway, that's a small price point, $299 to get started. You have a credit repair business. Um, One of the things that I do is um, I communicate with other agents that are actually work with buyers, home buyers, also working with landlords, also working with lenders. These are the people who come in contact with people who have the income, but the credit needs some working on. And that's when I provide my service to those individual uh, business owners who are needing credit repair, credit restoration agents. So in that capacity, I'm able to assist these professionals to get their clients up to that credit point where they need to be. So one of the things about being in the credit repair business, you're gonna have training from A to Z, and you're gonna know how to run your business, how to have your business in position where you're earning some great income each month, okay, or every week. All right, thank you for listening to that. So again, it's $299 to one-time setup, $299, and it's $89 a month. First month is included. Okay, and then the Power of Five. There's a system called the Power of Five. Bring in 5 customers or agents. Bring in 5 customers or agents, and you qualify to get your next month's service for free, right? bring in 5 people, next month services are for free. All right, so that's an opportunity.